Why does your scanner show the P0500 engine code? What does it mean? P0500 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor A malfunction. It indicating a problem with the system that measures and transmits vehicle speed to the engine control module. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty speed sensor issues. Damaged wiring. Faulty drive gear. Open or shorted wiring. Bad connections. Failing fuses. ECM or PCM malfunction. Power supply issues. Low transmission fluid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, BMW, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.